Hey guys, I'm Sam Schrock and welcome back to the farm. Today we're going to be repairing my Hayliner 67 by New Holland. It's a small square baler. Last week it blew up on me when I was making hay, so it's going to be a little weld project, and I'm not the best welder, so we're going to have to see how this goes. So here she is. This rod should go all the way through this hole and kind of hang out down in here, somewhat like this side. See, it goes through, got a little square dealy. Hope you can see that. But well, this should be exciting. So I've got this side jacked up so I can at least get a little bit of something to weld on to here. And I was looking through my scrap pile and I think I'm going to use this little piece, but it needs a little bending. So I'm going to ask it real nice like if it wants to come towards me, and we'll see how this goes. Every good workbench got a shit ton of crap. All right, this came right off just the way I like it. Perfect. How about that? I'm gonna take off these tips, and then we're gonna have a nice piece of square to weld right back on there. It's gonna be great, just like brand new. How you like that, huh? Looking pretty snazzy. It's gonna fit. Oh, well, maybe I'll have to take it to the grinder. Oh, guess it'll fit this way. That'll do. That'll do. We're gonna get this bad puppy welded. A little farm welding time. Oh, I can't see it. Alrighty, that looks like it's gonna hold. I'll get rid of my handy dandy vice grips. Try not to weld those guys in there. And we'll just keep that bead rolling. Oh, baby. It definitely looks like a pro did this. If this holds, I will be impressed. Alrighty. Now that's a weld, baby. One thing I was not prepared for is this running out of thread. So I've got it all welded up. It's beautiful. I've tensioned this all the way down, but that's the problem. It won't go down any further. This side's got some more tension to do, some more adjustment. But we'll have to take it out into the field and do a little experimenting. But there's one thing that is great, and it's this weld. I mean, don't even. That's a chef's kiss right there. Just waiting to happen. So I'll get back to you probably after this thing doesn't work and I have to buy new parts. maybe here in a couple of hours I'm gonna bale this up and hopefully have this field cleaned off and possibly get to bed before 9 o'clock. That's the hope. I'll catch up with y'all later. Howdy, back in the field. Got the baler all hooked up. Hopefully my farm weld from earlier holds and we get straight, square, beautiful bales, and all this hay that I raked is dry. So we're gonna hope for the best, but I'm also prepared for the worst. Why? Why are you so dirty? Why? Are you a dirty farm cat? Oh my goodness. Why did you roll in the dirt? Are you a dirty farm cat? What's Gray? What's Gray thinking about, huh? What's Gray thinking about? Meow. Oh, there is no way, Gray. There is no freaking way. It's a cat's life out here. Whew. Oh my gosh. That guy's a speed demon. Howdy, and welcome back to the farm. So I finished up baling here, and as you can see, things went pretty great. Not sure whether it's because my farm weld wasn't, you know, because you remember that tension wasn't completely correct, but it did make a few bales, so luckily I can pick those up and try to forget about that field until second cut. But I will probably have to order a new piece, a new spring tensioner doodad to be able to get square bales. So I tried to record some of the baling process using that mount up there, but it turns out my battery had other ideas, so my camera died on me right in the middle of that. But that's all right, because I think tomorrow we're going to be doing some spraying, so hopefully I can take you guys along for that as well. And don't worry, there will be plenty more baling to do. You can count on that. So I thank you very much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys later.